Hello grade 4, welcome today. Our lesson today we can explain together in unit 3 concept 2 lesson 6, how long does it take. What is the meaning of how long does it take? How long does it take? It's meaning the elapsed time. It's the time to spend from the start time to the end time, from start time to the end time. As a sim like all that, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, and after 30 minutes I take my breakfast. I take my breakfast at 7:30, at 7 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so the elapsed time here it's after 30 minutes. We have 30 minutes from wake up to take the breakfast. That's the elapsed time. And here after I take the breakfast, I can go to school at 8 o'clock. After I take the breakfast, after 30 minutes I will go to school at 8 o'clock. So the elapsed time here is 30 minutes. Okay, after 8 here, the first session it's start to 8 and 15 minutes. So here the elapsed time 15 minutes and so on here. So how can you solve the elapsed time in this any problem? We have two ways. We have two strategies to solve the elapsed time. First strategy, it's called decompose then add. Decompose then add. As the same example, here we have 3 hours and 55 minutes plus 2 hours and 20 minutes. Here if we must adding the two time, must add minute by minute and hours by hours. So 55 plus 20 is greater than 60 minutes. 55 plus 20 it's equal 75 minutes. It's greater than 60 minutes, but we know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes, so I can take 5 minutes from 20. I can give him 55 minutes to obtain 60 minutes. So here 3 and 55 plus 5, here plus 2 hours and 20 minus 5 minutes. I can take 5 minutes from the second time and give here to the first time. Okay, so we have here 3 hours and 60 minutes plus 2 hours and 20 minus 5 equal 15. Yes, excellent. So 3 and 60 minutes plus 2 hours and 15 minutes, but we know that 60 minutes, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Yes, excellent. So I can replace this time, the first time, into 4 hours plus 2 hours and 15 minutes. So the answer it's equal to 6 hours and 15 minutes. That's the end time. This is the first strategy, it's called decompose then add. The second strategy, it's called add then decompose. Add then decompose. What is the meaning of add decompose? We can, as the same of example, we can make a plus 3 hours and 55 minutes plus 2 hours and 20 minutes. It's equal, we can add minute by minute and hour by hour. 55 plus 20, we know that it's equal 75 minutes. Circle it. And 3 hours plus 2 hours equal 5 hours. So we have here 5 hours and 75 minutes, but we know that the greatest time in minutes for the any time 59. After 59, 60. We can't write 60 in minute. We can replace it into 1 hour. So we can decompose 75 is more than 60, we can decompose 75 into 60 minutes plus 15. We know that 75 equals 60 plus 15. 60 plus 15 equals 75. So I can take 60 minutes here, replace it into 1 hour. 5 hours plus 1 hour equals 6 hours and 15 minutes. 5 hours plus 1 hour, it's equal 6 hours and 15 minutes. Now we will solve more exercise about these two strategies. The first example, we have here 3 hours and 25 minutes plus 1 hour and 26 minutes. Yes. We have here the first example, 3 hours and 25 minutes plus 1 hour and 26 minutes. You can choose your favorite strategy, decompose then add, or add then decompose. My preferred strategy, add then decompose. So I can here add first minute by minute and hour by hour. 25 minutes plus 26 minutes, 5 plus 6 equal 11. 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equal 5. It's equal 5. 51 minutes. And we can, don't forget the 2 points above together to separate between hours and minute in any time. Here 3 hours plus 1 hour equal 4 hours. So the time here we have 4 hours and 51 minutes. The second example, we have 3 hours and 25 minutes plus 45 minutes. Oh, mister, I can get the 45 minutes as a letter here in example. Yes, we have a time 3 and 25 minutes plus 45 minutes. We have here the keywords 45, it's into minutes. So we can add 25 minutes plus 45. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Yes. And 3 hours. Is it right? No, we have here 70 minutes, but the greatest minute in any time, 59 minutes. After 59, 60 minutes, we can replace 60 minutes into 1 hour. Yes, we can replace 60 minutes into 1 hour. So we can decompose 70 minutes into 60 plus, yes, 10. 60 plus 10. So 70 minutes equal 60 minutes plus 10. So 60 minutes there are equal 1 hour. So 1 hour plus 3 equal 4. 1 hour plus 3 equal 4 and 10 minutes. 4 hours and 10 minutes. Is it clear? Okay. Let's we go to the third example. Here we have 5 hours and 43 minutes negative 5 hours and 43 minutes minus 1 hour and 25 minutes. I can subtract also minutes by minutes and hours by hours. Also, I can subtract minutes by minutes and hours by hours. So 43 minus 25. 43 minus 25, 3 minus 5, it can. So I can take one from unit 2, subtraction strategies. I can take one from 4, it will be 3, and 3 it will be 13. Excellent. 13 minus 5, 8. Yes. And 3 minus 2 equal 1. 5 minus 1 equal 4. So 5 hours and 43 minutes minus 1 hour and 25 minutes, it's equal to 4 hours and 18 minutes. Is it clear? Now we have the example as Now we have the example in the word problem. In the word problem here, Jana and Maha have 5 hours to watch 3 movies. Jana and Maha have a free time 5 hours to watch 3 movies. The first movie, it lasts 1 hour and 22 minutes. The second movie, it's called, lasts for 2 hours and 12 minutes. And the third time, it's called 1 hour and 57 minutes. Oh, it's time. Do you have enough time? Let's we see together. Do you have enough time, all 3 movies? So we can take 1 hour and 22 minutes plus 2 hours and 12 minutes and plus the third movie 1 hour and 57 minutes. So we can add together 2 plus 2 equal 4, 4 plus 7 equal 11, 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5 equal 9, and here 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 hour and 91 minutes. Is it clear this time we can write it? No, so I can replace 91, decompose 91 into 60 minutes and 31 minutes. Yes, excellent. 60 plus 31 equal 91. So I can replace this time into 5 hours and 31 minutes. Do the girls have enough time to watch all 3 movies? The girls have only 5 minutes. 5 hours to watch these 3 movies, but the 3 movies can take the last time to the end 5 hours and 31 minutes. So the 2 girls doesn't have enough time. 2 girls doesn't have enough time. The girls decide to just watch the 2 shortest movies if they start watching at 5 and 30 minutes p.m. What is the meaning of p.m.? What is the meaning of p.m.? Yes, it's at night. At night, yes. 5 hours and 30 minutes at p.m. What is the time will their movie end? I can take the shortest 2 movies. What is the shortest of 2 movies from these 3 movies? Yes, excellent. The movie has last 1 hour and here 1 hour, but the third movie has here 2 hours. So the shortest 2 movie 1 hour. 1 hour and 22 minutes plus 1 hour and 57 minutes. 2 plus 7 equal 9, 2 plus 5 equals 7, and 1 plus 1 equal 2. But 79 minutes it can't, so I can decompose 79 minutes into 60 minutes, and yes, 19. 60 plus 19 equals 79. So I can replace this time into 3 hours and 19 minutes. If they start watching at 5 hours and 30 minutes, so I can take here the last time, the elapsed time for the shortest 2 movies, 3 hours and 19 minutes, so I can make addition plus 5 and 30 plus 3 and 19 equal 8 and 49, 8 hours and 49 minutes. We can end the last shortest movie at 8 hours and 49 minutes at the end. Is it clear? That's our lesson today, lesson 6 in unit 3, concept 2. How long does it take? Thank you very much. Don't forget to make this video, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for all together. Thank you, grateful. Goodbye.